Withdrawing money from your Monster account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Monster account. Access your Monster account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your account details handy. Step 2. Navigate to the payment section. Once logged in, find the payment or withdrawal section in your account dashboard. This is usually located under account settings or payment options. Step 3. Select withdrawal method. Choose the option to withdraw funds and select your bank account as the withdrawal method. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you may need to enter your bank details. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Ensure that this amount is within the limit set by Monster and that you have sufficient funds available. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review your withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the withdrawal is processed. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the transaction and allow a few business days for processing.